Hello and welcome back to Purple Code. I'm thrilled to have you here again for another exciting video on Java programming. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Java arrays. So, grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's dive in. I'm excited to share this knowledge with you. So let's get started. Normally, an array is a collection of similar type of elements which has contiguous memory location. A Java array is an object that includes components of the same data type. Array elements are also stored in a contiguous memory area. It is a data structure in which we keep similar components. A Java array can only hold a limited number of elements. Array in Java is index-based. The first element of the array is stored at the 0th index. 2nd element is stored on 1st index and so on. In Java, there are two types of arrays. 1. Single-dimensional array. 2. Multidimensional array. Let's understand them with some examples. A single-dimensional array is a type of data structure that allows you to store a collection of data elements of the same data type. The elements are stored in a contiguous block of memory and are accessed using an index value. The index value starts from 0 for the first element and increases by 1 for each subsequent element. Syntaxes to declare an array are: initialization of an array. Let's see an example. A multi-dimensional array is an array that has more than one dimension. It is a collection of elements that are organized into a two-dimensional or higher dimensional structure. Each element in a multi-dimensional array is identified by its position in the array, which is defined by its indices. In a two-dimensional array, the indices are usually represented by two numbers, one representing the row and the other representing the column. In a three-dimensional array, the indices are represented by three numbers, representing the row, column, and depth. Syntaxes to declare a 2D array. Initialization of 2D array. Let's see an example.